Heat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 3 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. In a separate bowl, whisk together 16 ounces or 2 cups of pumpkin, ½ cup of applesauce, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 2/3 a cup of water, and 4 eggs. Now add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Now stir in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Divide your batter into 2 9 by 5 inch loaf pans. Bake them for an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. You'll know when they're done when you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out with soft crumbs. After you let it cool in the pan, use a butter knife to loosen the sides from the pan and then let it cool completely on a wired rack.